62.
62.
62.
Poser des questions.
Asking questions 1.
Asking questions 1.
Apprendre.
To learn.
To learn.
Les élèves apprennent-ils beaucoup?
Do the students learn a lot?
Do the students learn a lot?
Non, ils apprennent peu.
No, they learn a little.
No, they learn a little.
Demander.
To ask.
To ask.
Posez-vous souvent des questions à votre instituteur?
Do you often ask the teacher questions?
Do you often ask the teacher questions?
Non, je ne le demande pas souvent.
No, I don't ask him questions often.
No, I don't ask him questions often.
Répondre.
To reply.
To reply.
Répondez, s'il vous plaît.
Please reply.
Please reply.
Je réponds.
I reply.
I reply.
Travailler.
To work.
To work.
Travaille-t-il en ce moment?
Is he working right now?
Is he working right now?
Oui, il travaille en ce moment.
Yes, he is working right now.
Yes, he is working right now.
Venir.
To come.
To come.
Venez-vous?
Are you coming?
Are you coming?
Oui, nous arrivons tout de suite.
Yes, we are coming soon.
Yes, we are coming soon.
Habiter.
To live.
To live.
Habitez-vous à Berlin?
Do you live in Berlin?
Do you live in Berlin?
Oui, j'habite à Berlin.
Yes, I live in Berlin.
Yes, I live in Berlin.